Today we're going to make a construction. 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 There we go, thank you. And for this we need our plastic cups. Good. We need our box. Box. Good. We need our plasticine. Plasticine. Very good. We need our grass. Our grass. We need our grass. We need our stones. Stones. Good. We need our stones. We need our plastic walls. We need our lollipop sticks. Lollipop sticks. And this is going to be for the wall, okay? And what is that? What is that? Anyone know what this is? We have a little dog. We have this. Unidentified animal. And finally we have our water. Our river water. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So today we made this dam to protect land from flood. So basically we add clay, ice cream sticks, filter board, rocks, fake grass, animals, and rock. And now we are going to pour the water in.
It has a filter board, the sticks and grass. So we are gonna pour water into it.
This is my dam. So it has clay, sticks, flowers, grass, rocks, and animals.
Hello guys, so this is my dam. So it has popsicle sticks, filter board, clay, rock, tree, and duck. And now we are going to pour water in the dam. Okay, let's go.
Hello everybody, this is my dam. I use popsicle stick, clay, rock, and tree over here. Now let's put some water in.